everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the look, I just came back from the post office changing my address, so I wanted to get on here and show you how easy it is to install your own shower head. So if y'all want to see me install my own shower head, you don't need a man, then please keep watching. Okay, so I got this from Ross for $14.99, and I'm going to place it right here because it did come with one. This is the one it came with. I normally buy my own shower heads anyway, but this time, you know, for whatever reason, if I move, I'm going to take mine with me because as you can see, it's a really nice one. And this one here was $14.99. I did get one from Walmart. This one here was $14.49. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one back because I like this one a lot better because it's detachable. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna go ahead and try and open it because I'm ready to use it. So let me get some scissors and open it and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it comes with this here, and let's see, like I said, it's a detachable spray, so you can use it to rinse off and stuff. So I'm gonna take that off. And then here are these extra 2 water things. Okay, so this part here goes on the shower. And then this part in here. Yeah. So let me go and put this on first. Alright, so hopefully you can see. So like I said, all you do is screw this here. Okay, you guys, that was a fail because the water here doesn't run like really strong. So that was a fail. So what I'm gonna do is put back the one that I got from Walmart because like I said, I did purchase one from Walmart, but I did like that one because it had all the attachments. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on, and I'm gonna also show you again how easy it is to place a shower head on your shower when you don't need a maintenance man or a husband or a man. So all you do is twist it up. And remember, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, I had to grip it. So all you do is just twist it. Make sure it's really tight. And I'm doing that. So now we're gonna put this baby to the test. See, the water pressure, I don't know, for some reason it's not that strong. I like my water pressure like stronger than that, but as you can see, it works. So I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. If you want to, you know, switch out your faucets or anything like that, it's really easy to do. What you do is make sure it has this here, like the newer ones have this plastic here where it makes it a lot easier to install, where you don't need tools. And then also, if you read the back of the box, it also tell you you don't need no tools or anything like that, because before you used to have tools and stick like a tape thing and all of that. So now you don't need to have all that stuff, y'all. So if you like me, ain't got time to be waiting on nobody, and you want to do it yourself, there you go. And like I said, this one here was from Walmart and it was for $14. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one back from Ross. So if you enjoyed this, give this video a big thumbs up. Oh no, this is going to be included in my moving video. So yeah, you guys.
So
towards the end of the video, my daughter and I started putting together our bar stools. I did get these off of Amazon, you guys, and I could not believe that they were 2 for $75. They were under $80, and I was like, oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it, because at TJ Maxx they were like $59 per chair. So we did end up ordering them, because I was like, okay, if they turn out to be, you know, really cheap, we sending them back. But you guys, they are really, really nice stools. I will try and leave a link down below for them, you guys. And I was able to use my Amazon Prime, which only took like 2 days, and they were really, really easy to put up. So I just wanted to share with you guys. So again, I hope y'all are enjoying my new apartment videos. So again, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.